how to use PowerPoint and create professional presentations. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use PowerPoint and create professional presentation in less than 1 minute. So what you have to do is go to PowerPoint. Now this is the home page, as you can see. All what you have to do is go to presentations here in the top, and now you will have many templates here, and here choose the one that you want, and here you will find the categories. For example, you want a business presentation or school presentations or even personal presentation. Anyway, choose the one that you want. For example, I'm gonna choose business, and choose the template that you want. I'm gonna choose this one and click create. Now here you can change the text easy and fast, as you can see, and also you can change the photo from here, and you have many pages here also that you can change on them anything you want. It's very easy to edit, and after you finish, all what you have to do is click save here in the top corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.